Hi from Rotorua. I'm not in focus. There we go. Hi.
Stinky.
It's
Stinky.
not stinky.
It is a little bit stinky, Rotorua.
I don't think it's stinky at all.
At the countdown, it was.
Yeah. Countdown is New Zealand for Woolworths. Yeah.
Colds.
No, Coles is the New World.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, totally. Get confused?
Sorry.
Don't worry. Welcome to our world. Yeah, we started off in Napier today and we finally explored properly Art Deco Napier and it was nice.
It was. Only nice?
No, it was really nice actually.
It was really nice, yeah.
Some of the buildings were just gorgeous and I had no idea why it was Art Deco Napier, but of course Danny had read the guidebook and so she knew all about it. So I'm walking down the street and I see this
Three
very-
streets.
and I go,
3 of them.
oh look, there was an earthquake and Danny just like, yeah.
Yeah, it was written in my guidebook.
But she didn't tell me. But anyway, but we're now in Rotorua and we had a lovely bus driver today. We had no problems with our bikes, did we?
Not at all. Not at all.
Not at all.
Maybe we were so well prepared for the bus or our bikes.
Yes, we know how to make them look small. Well, smaller because they're big. They're big bikes.
Yeah, they are.
But Napier was lovely. I like Rotorua. It's much bigger than I was expecting. What about you?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, and tomorrow we do the Te Arahi, so that's pretty exciting and I could see some of the trail today. Danny was asleep, so she didn't get to see it. But we get to see all the cool things, or not all the cool things, but most of the cool things around Rotorua. So we'll see you tomorrow from a Thermal Springs camping ground. We may actually have to do a video in a thermal spring. We'll wait and see.
And tomorrow is New Year's Eve.
It
Don't
is.
forget.
It is. So we had beers tonight. Well, I drank cider, had a beer. Danny had lots of beer. No, you drank the same amount as me.
Is it beer here in New Zealand? I don't know.
Beer? I don't know. It's something.
Yeah.
IPA. But anyway, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.